Let's get right into it. Number 8, goosebumps. Nature's broken thermostat. You're freezing, and suddenly your skin sprouts tiny, useless bumps, like it's auditioning to be a goose. Goosebumps. One of evolution's weirder leftovers. Once upon a time when humans were fluffy woodland creatures, these little skin spasms helped raise body hair to trap heat or scare off predators. Think puffed-up caveman trying to intimidate a saber-toothed cat. Cute. But here's the problem. You don't have fur anymore. The instinct stayed. The insulation? Gone. So now every time you feel a chill or hear a creepy violin screech in a horror movie, your skin goes full prehistoric drama queen for no reason. Even worse, you get goosebumps during emotional moments too. Why? Because your body thinks your feelings are a bear. Play a sad song, cry over a commercial with a dog reunion, and boom, lizard brain hits the panic button. Basically, it's your nervous system saying, "I've got this," while clearly not having anything. Number 7, third eyelids. The eye flaps you can't use. You have a third eyelid, sort of. It's called the plica semilunaris, and it's that little pink crescent in the corner of your eye. It used to be a fully functional inner eyelid in birds and reptiles, helping them clean their eyes without blinking. Super handy if you're, say, a hawk or a velociraptor. But you get the remains of that. It just kind of sits there, like the appendix of your face. No purpose, no warning, no refunds. At one point, it may have helped early humans or primates sweep sand and dust off the eyeball without shutting it completely. Now, it's more like a fleshy reminder that evolution doesn't clean up after itself. So next time you're battling dry eyes, remember, your body had a better tool. It just decided to downgrade you to the demo version. Number 6, shivers when you pee, aka post-micturition convulsion syndrome. Yes, it's a real thing. That weird full-body shiver some people get after peeing. Science has a name for it, but absolutely no solid explanation. Isn't that comforting? Some theories say it's a leftover sympathetic nervous system response. Others blame a drop in adrenaline or temperature change. Translation? Nobody knows why your body treats urination like a haunted house exit, but evolution clearly thought this was essential. Great. We lost the ability to digest grass, but kept the random pee shiver. It's like your spine is trying to reboot just because your bladder's empty. A sudden, twitchy system update complete from your nervous system for absolutely no reason. Biology, powered by mystery, awkwardness, and way too many side effects. Number 5, baby gripping reflex. For the tree branch you'll never grab. Ever noticed how babies can grip your finger like they're hanging off a cliff in an action movie? That's called the palmar grasp reflex, and it's built in, from birth, like pre-installed monkey software. Back when we were clinging to our mom's fur in the jungle, this reflex was crucial. Fall off, and you're a snack for the nearest leopard. So evolution said, better make these tiny things latch on like they owe rent. But today, modern babies don't need to cling to their mother's back hair on a daily commute. Yet the reflex is still there, squeezing anything nearby with the strength of a tiny gym bro. It fades by around 6 months, which is evolution's way of quietly backing out of the room like, yeah, never mind. So if you've ever had a baby yank your glasses, beard, or soul out of your body, that's prehistoric survival software doing its thing, for no reason, in a target. Number 4, hair, your body's favorite useless decoration. Let's talk body hair, not the luscious kind on your head, the random patches everywhere else. Your arms, your toes, your why is that there zone. Body hair was once your own personal thermostat/scent distributor. It trapped heat and spread pheromones, which, to be fair, was hot cave person behavior. But now, central heating exists. Deodorant exists. You don't need a full ecosystem under your armpits to survive a Tuesday. And yet your body still thinks growing a patchy jungle is helpful. Ever shaved your arm just to have it return stronger, like it's personally offended? That's your DNA clinging to the dream of being a wild forest nomad. Even eyebrows and eyelashes, which do block sweat and dust, are surrounded by freeloaders like ear hair and back fuzz that just showed up uninvited. It's not insulation anymore. It's decoration from a time when hot meant not freezing to death in a mammoth cave. Number 3, sneezing at the sun. Because why not? You step outside, sunlight hits your face, and boom, achoo. Congratulations, you're one of the 25 to 35% of people who have a condition called the photic sneeze reflex. Translation, your brain sees light and tells your nose to explode. This is one of evolution's weirder bugs. It's believed that nerves for your eyes and nose are close enough that when bright light hits the optic nerve, your body accidentally fires off a sneeze, like cross-wiring a light switch to a foghorn. In early humans, this did nothing useful. In modern humans, it still does nothing useful, except maybe scare pigeons. Imagine being designed to sneeze every time you step out of a cave, or worse, while driving. Because nothing says safe highway conditions like spontaneous face explosions. Basically, it's your body trying to process the sun and just giving up halfway. Number 2. That weird eye twitch. Thanks, evolution. You're sitting quietly, minding your business, and suddenly, twitch. Your eyelid starts spasming like it's trying to communicate in Morse code. Welcome to the fun world of myokymia. Involuntary eye twitches that make you question whether your face is haunted. These delightful spasms usually show up when you're tired, stressed, or overcaffeinated. So, every weekday? Now, does this serve a purpose? Absolutely not. It's just your facial nerves glitching out because you had one too many iced coffees and haven't slept since last Thursday. But deep down, this twitch is a fossil from your nervous system's panic room, a subtle reflex that probably once kept you alert during danger. Eyes jittering? Must be danger nearby. Or maybe you just emailed your boss without proofreading. Either way, your body's answer to stress is a weird little dance in your eyelid. Not fight or flight, more like twitch and hope it stops before someone notices. Number 1. Appendix. The biological junk drawer. Ah yes, the appendix. The crown jewel of useless body parts, that tiny pouch off your colon that just kind of sits there, doing nothing, until one day it tries to kill you. Back in the old days, when your diet consisted of bark, raw plants, and stuff you'd probably cry over today, the appendix helped digest cellulose and process all that delicious caveman roughage. But now, you eat grilled cheese and dinosaur-shaped chicken nuggets. No fiber, no need. But the appendix? Still here, hanging out like that one friend who doesn't contribute to the group project but insists on putting their name on the slide deck. And sometimes, just to stay relevant, it inflames itself into a medical emergency. Classic attention grab. Some scientists argue it might help house good gut bacteria. Others say that's a generous interpretation. Either way, you don't need it. But you do need to hope it doesn't try to explode during a road trip. So next time you feel a weird stomach twinge, remember, your appendix is just mad it got left behind by evolution. That's all for today. I'll be making similar videos in the future. Subscribe to see them.